There are many occasions when you're animating a scene and you want to adjust the timing of the animation. While adjusting the timing of some animations is a simple task, other animations can be more difficult and time-consuming. This is where the animation retiming tool comes in handy. The animation retiming tool allows you to quickly and easily select a time in an animation and adjust the time to make it faster or slower. The retimer can be used on individual tracks as well as the entire animation depending on your needs. Click Open from the Quick Access toolbar and open the file Chapter 8 Retiming 01 from the Chapter 8 subdirectory. This file is a variation on the beaker animation, with the two beakers on the table animated along with an animated camera. However, this file contains an animation timing error. Drag the time slider to frame 51. Notice that in the top viewport, the two beakers are overlapping each other. Drag the time slider a few more frames, and you'll see that they overlap until frame 54. We can solve this problem by making the blue beaker at the front of the table move a little faster and get out of the way before the purple beaker hits it. To accomplish this, we first want to select the blue beaker, beaker 01, in the top viewport. Then, from the main toolbar, click Curve Editor Open. When the Track View Curve Editor opens, click the Beaker 01 Transform Position X Position Controller in the hierarchy list on the left of the dialog. Before we continue, we may need to move the location of the curve editor so that we can see the top viewport. Since we only need to retime the selected controller, click Retime on the Curve Editor toolbar, the fifth icon in from the left. Immediately, you will see a set of yellow buttons on the right side of the curve view, and a prompt telling you to double-click to add retime markers. We will need to add two retime markers. The first will be about frame 20. Go ahead and double-click at frame 20 in the curve view. This places the first of the two markers. At this point, if all we want to do is change the timing of the animation, we could slide the marker left or right. However, we want to adjust the timing of the animation up to frame 54. So we can add a second marker at frame 55. Double-click again at about frame 55 to add the second marker. Note that if you try to double-click on the time slider in the curve editor, you will not be able to add a marker. You must add it before or after the time slider, or move the time slider. Now, click and drag the second marker to the left 5 frames. Drag the time slider back and forth from frame 50 to 55, and you'll see the blue beaker now moves out of the way of the purple one just in time. To complete the retiming, we have several options, but for now, simply click Close in the upper right of the curve view. With only a few steps, we have retimed the animation and fixed a potential problem. Go ahead and save your file.